Hello everyone, welcome back to Flow Finance. How are you all doing? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. In this video, I'm going to share a new way to send money to Nigeria with the new CBN policy on international remittance into Nigeria. The procedure for sending money to Nigeria has changed a lot. I've come to terms with the new change. I am embracing it all I can. Are you? You need to embrace it because there's nothing we can do. We don't have a choice. That's why I'm making this video, so that I can break down this new procedure, this corner procedure for you in the language you will understand. So today we're going to send money to Nigeria and have someone pick it up from a bank in Nigeria using an app. That app is Sendwave. Sendwave is a secure, fast, cheap way to send money to Nigeria. To start, first of all, if you're an existing Sendwave customer, all you need to do is to make sure that you update your app to the latest version of the app. So go to Play Store or App Store and update your app and you're good to go. But if you're not yet a Sendwave customer, what are you waiting for? What are you doing? Go to Google Play Store or App Store and download Sendwave today. Okay, the app is now on your phone. Open it, click sign up. Enter your full government name. Yes, that name on your ID. Email address, phone number, create a new password. Make sure you remember it and accept the terms and conditions. Click sign up and verify your phone with the code sent to your phone. Yeah, you will receive it as a text message. Now, make sure you enter my promo code FLOW, F-L-O. It is very important that you enter my promo code FLOW to get $5, £5 or €5 added to your first transfer. Click go. Now you are all set to send the money. With Sendwave, you can send money from the UK, the USA, Spain, Italy, and Ireland to Nigeria. If we click on this flag over here, you will see all the countries you can send money to. So we select Nigeria. Now, let me explain what is happening on this screen. One big difference you'll notice is that on the receive side, you now have US dollars instead of Naira, as we used to have before the new CBN policy. And on the send side, you will see the local currency of the country you're sending from. I live in Spain, so I have euros on the send side. If you live in the UK, you will have British pounds on the send side. If you live in the USA, you will have US dollars. So for those in the USA, you send dollars and your recipient in Nigeria gets dollars. For those in the UK, you send pounds and your recipient in Nigeria receives dollars. For those in the Eurozone, you send euros and they receive dollars over there. So whatever you're sending, dollar must be received in Nigeria. Another difference, this is not really a difference for those of us that live in Europe, but it's a difference for those that live in the US. I'll talk about the US one shortly. For those in Europe, we will continue to enjoy the no transaction fee from Sendwave. That means Sendwave will not charge you any transaction fee to send money to Nigeria if you live in Europe. On top of that, they will give you competitive exchange rates from your local currency to the US dollars. You can see on the screen, today they are giving an exchange rate of €1 to 1.2 US dollars. Let's check online to see what the exchange rate is today. Today is March 3, 2021. On dailyfx.com, this site updates live. We have €1 exchanging for 1.2 US dollars. And on xe.com, we have the same. €1 is 1.2 US dollars. Competitive, right? For our brothers and sisters in the US, there's a difference because, you know, this new policy was made for you guys. Yes, you guys rub it in. Enjoy. Enjoy your akara. Because now, when you send US dollars, the person in Nigeria receives US dollars. There's no exchange going on here. Because of that, Sendwave will charge you 1% transaction fee for any amount of money you send. That means if you're sending $100, they will charge you $1. If you're sending $1,000, they will charge you $10 transaction fee, okay? Now, the next thing happening on the screen, if you look further down, you will see Zenith and Access Bank logos. That means that for now, your recipient will receive the money in any Access Bank or Zenith Bank branch in Nigeria. For now, there are plans to add more banks, more Nigerian banks to the list. I'll announce it on my channel whenever that happens. Now, let's send the money. Click recipient name. Okay, with the latest version of Sendwave app, you can select recipients from your contact list. But the thing is that the name of the recipient must match the person's name on the BVN. You know, the name the person used when they registered for BVN in Nigeria. And you know, who saves people's phone numbers on their phone with their full government name? No, it's always like even pet names, nicknames that you send people's numbers with, right? Unless you know you save the person's name in their full government name on your contact list, and that's rare. So what you will do is click add new recipient and then enter the person's full name. You can see where it's written that the person's name must match the name they have in their BVN. If not, the person will not be paid. Select cash pickup. This is for when the person will pick the money over the counter. For now, Sendwave is not offering direct payment into a domiciliary account in Nigeria. Make sure you enter the person's phone number correctly, because again, if the number does not match as it is written here, they will not refund you. Continue. Enter the amount you want to send and you will see the amount your recipient will receive on the receive side. Click send and Sendwave will ask you to verify your identity. All things being equal, it will ask you this once when you're sending for the first time. Click start to take a photo of your ID. And here's the list of acceptable IDs. Select the one you want to use, enable, allow. You see that hole there? Position your ID to fit the hole. Press the white button to take a photo and confirm that the ID is legible. If your ID has two sides, turn the other side and take the other side as well. Then submit. Confirm your card details. Sendwave is a safe and secure app, so it's okay to give them your card details because that is where they will take the money from. Confirm transfer and enter your password. Authorize the transfer with your bank the same way you normally authorize online purchases. Yeah. For me, I'll need to go log into my account online and authorize that. And then they send me a code, which I enter again. Once your bank authorizes it, you will receive a text message on your phone telling you that the transaction has gone through. Your recipient in Nigeria will also receive a text message on the phone number you entered when you were, at the beginning of the transaction. All these will happen within minutes. The money is ready for your recipient to pick it up from any branch of Access Bank or Zenith Bank in Nigeria. The person does not even need to have an account in these two banks to pick up the money from across the counter. Before your recipient goes to the bank to pick up the money, they need to go with 3 important things without which they cannot pick up the money. 1, they need to go with their BVN. That bank verification number that everybody that has a bank account in Nigeria has. They need to go with that. Then they need to go with the phone. The phone where you sent the text message was sent to them. They need to go with that phone because they're going to show them the voucher code. And there at the bank, during processing of the payment, they're going to send a verification code to that same number. So the person needs to go to the bank with that phone. Also, the person needs to go to the bank with a valid ID. Accepted IDs are international passport, permanent voter's card, driver's license, and national ID, national identity card issued by the Nigerian government. These are the 3 things they must go to the bank with, and before you know it, everything will be done and the person will receive the money and then go out on the streets and find a bureau de change person to change the money for the person. Unfortunately, That's an extra step that we have to go through in this new policy. So you've seen how fast it is to transfer money to Nigeria with Sendwave. If everything goes according to plan, no hitches, no mistakes, the person should be able to receive the money within minutes. Download Sendwave today. What are you waiting for? Remember, use my promo code FLOW to get $5, £5, €5 added to your first transfer. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and get it in the thousands. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how to transfer money directly into a domiciliary account in Nigeria and what to do afterwards. See you soon.